No one will tell you this, but if you get into a car accident and think you have to handle it all alone, you're wrong. If you have your car insurance from Policybazaar.ae, you get the PP Advantage Claims Assurance. So, with them, you get from crash to claim in few steps. So, if you got into an accident, don't worry, we'll be there for you. Let me tell you how. Step 1. Make sure everyone is safe. Move your car into a safe spot and check for injuries. If there is an emergency, call 999. Step 2. Call or WhatsApp us. We'll share the details for roadside assistance team. Share your location with them and they will be there for you. Step 3. Use your Emirates Police app or website to file a report or simply call 999. Step 4. We'll share the details of the nearest garage with you. Once the recovery truck arrives to your location, your car can be taken to the approved garage. Step 5. Once the police report is ready, share that with us along with Emirates ID, driving license and Mulkiya. We'll file the claim on your behalf. Step 6. Relax, because you will get real-time update from claim submission to repair completion. Step 7. Any issues during the process? We'll be there to fix them. Step 8. When your car is ready, you'll be the first one to know. So your journey from crash to claim just got a whole lot easier with PP Advantage Claim Assurance. So you can call us or WhatsApp us and we will be there.